Hey, so if you work with a lot of spreadsheet data and want to summarize information quickly, yeah, pivot tables in Google Sheets are incredibly useful. In this guide, I'll show you how to use pivot tables in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, make sure your data is organized with proper column headers and no empty rows. Now highlight all the data you want to analyze. Go to the top menu and click Insert. Select Pivot Table from the drop-down menu. Choose whether to place the pivot table in a new sheet or existing sheet. Use the pivot table editor to add rows for categories like product names, months, or departments. Now add values to calculate totals, counts, or averages automatically. Filters help you focus on specific data without changing the original spreadsheet. You can sort data, change summaries, and organize the layout for better reporting. When your original data changes, the pivot table can update to reflect the new information. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use pivot tables in Google Sheets to analyze and summarize data more efficiently in 2026.